Ladies and gentlemen, our best performer during the production number. Congratulations to candidate number 6 from the Andres Bonifacio College. Congratulations, candidate number 6 again from the Andres Bonifacio College. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we will now unveil who is the Miss Photogenic 2009. May I ask the Miss Teen Eco Tourism Depot of 2008, brother. Can we see the frame? We would like also to acknowledge the Polo Dapitan Camera Club. Kunti ka na. Excited din. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Miss Photogenic for the Miss Teen Tourism Dipolo of 2009. Wala po itong number. Kailangan pa po nating hanapin kung sino. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to number 4 from St. Vincent's College Basic Education Campus. Candidate number 4 is Miss Valerie G. Gabukan of St. Vincent's College Basic Education Campus. And ladies and gentlemen, Best in School Uniform 2009. Congratulations to from the Andres Bonifacio College, candidate number 6. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Congeniality, candidate number 1 from the Alberto Cuba Memorial Agrotech Science High School.
Candidate number 1 is Miss Fatima A. Balios of Alberto Cuba.
Representative of Globe Telecom has chosen one of our 8 lovely candidates to be their Miss Globe 2009. Congratulations, for you are the Miss Globe 2009 from the Basic Education Campus of St. Vincent's College, candidate number 4.
Candidate number 4 is Miss Valerie G. Gabukan of St. Vincent's College.
best in Glam Fest Couture is no other than candidate number 4 from the Basic Education Campus of St. Vincent's College.
Candidate number 4 is Miss Valerie G. Gabucan of St. Vincent's College.
Bukada.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4 from St. Vincent's. Chowking Princess 2009 is candidate number 6 from the Andres Bonifacio College.
Candidate number 6 is Miss Keisha Gail L. Bartolini of Andres Bonifacio College.
In talent. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to candidate number 4 from the Basic Education Campus of St. Vincent's College.
Candidate number 4 is Miss Valerie G. Gabucan of St. Vincent's College.
In a few minutes time, ladies and gentlemen, I will be announcing to you the result for the Best Philippine Turno competition for the candidate who possesses the Best Philippine Turno tonight. But before that, may I request the representative of the Christian Luther Review Center to hand over the tokens, the special tokens or gifts for the Review Center. And now, ladies and gentlemen, may I announce to you the result for the Best in Philippine Turno competition. Do you have any bets from the audience? Ladies and gentlemen, the Best in Philippine Turno 2009 for the Miss Team Tourism Dipolo. Congratulations to candidate number 4 from the Basic Education Campus.
Candidate number 4 is Miss Valerie G. Gabucan of St. Vincent's College.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are about to announce the top 5 finalists of this year's competition. May I request first our D-ranker, the Miss Teen Tourism second runner-up in the year 2006, Miss Josefina Jessica Realisa, to acknowledge the sponsors